So you've probably heard that rice masks are amazing for glowing skin, but here's the secret: most people don't actually do it right. Today I'm going to show you a quick 60-second step-by-step guide to the best Korean rice masks that brighten, smooth, and even fades stubborn dark spots. And stick around because I'm going to share a big mistake people usually make that you definitely want to avoid. Trust me, you want to save this video and try it whenever your skin needs a little pick-me-up. Rice has been used in Korean beauty routines for hundreds of years, and if you struggle with dark spots or uneven skin tone, rice can help brighten those areas over time. The best part, it's super gentle. Even if you have sensitive skin, this mask can be a great option without causing irritation. Now let's gather what you need. First, 2 tablespoons of cooked white rice. Fresh rice is perfect, but leftover rice works great too, so no waste here, okay? Second, 1 tablespoon of either milk or rice water. Milk is also awesome because it has lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant, plus it hydrates your skin. And here's an optional bonus: 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is amazing for hydration and has natural antibacterial properties, which means it can help with acne and keep your skin clear. Step 1, take your cooked rice and mash it up in a clean bowl until it becomes a smooth paste, or if you want it super smooth, blend it for a few seconds like I'm doing. Step 2, add your milk or rice water. I'm using milk today because I want that creamy, hydrating feeling. If you're using honey, add it now and mix it well. Honey makes the mask extra soothing and moisturizing. Mix it all together. The consistency should be thick enough to spread on your face, but not too runny that it drips everywhere. Now, apply the mask evenly on your freshly cleansed face. Avoid your eyes. That skin is super delicate and doesn't need the mask. Okay, here's where most people mess up. They let the mask dry completely on their skin. That might seem like the right thing to do, but it can actually dry out and irritate your skin. Also, don't leave it on for too long. About 15 to 20 minutes is perfect. If you want more simple skincare tips that actually work, hit that subscribe button and join me on this glow up journey. I've got lots of simple, healthy skincare secrets to share that don't cost a fortune. Thanks so much for watching and spending a little self-care time with me today.